In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make simple buttons with icons in Webflow. This is an incredibly useful skill to have when you're looking to add a bit of flair and functionality to your website, making it more interactive and visually appealing. Let's dive in and get started with the first step. The first thing you need to do is download the icon font from Font Awesome. This is a fantastic resource that provides a wide variety of icons you can use to enhance your design. Make sure to head over to their website and download the latest version of their font pack. Once you've done that, you'll have a compressed file on your computer that needs to be extracted. Go ahead and extract the file to a location you'll easily remember, as we're going to need to access it in just a moment. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find a variety of formats for the Font Awesome font. Look for the file that ends in .dgf2, which stands for Web Open Font Format 2. This file format is optimized for web usage and will work seamlessly with Webflow. With the .wgf2 file located, head into your Webflow dashboard and navigate to the site settings of the project you're working on. Within the site settings, you'll find the Custom Fonts section. Upload the WWF2 file there, ensuring that Font Awesome is now part of your available fonts in Webflow. This will be key in getting those icons to display correctly on your buttons. Now that you have Font Awesome installed and ready to go, let's grab the icon you'd like to use. Back on the Font Awesome website or within their app, browse through the wealth of icons available to find the perfect one for your project. When you've decided on an icon, simply copy it to your clipboard. It's as easy as that. Now it's time to put it into action. Navigate to your Webflow project and find the button where you want to add your icon. Click into the button text and paste the icon you copied. At first glance, you may notice that what appears is not your beautifully chosen icon, but rather a box or placeholder symbol instead. This tends to happen if the font hasn't been applied. Not to worry, there's a straightforward fix to this. Simply highlight the icon placeholder within the button text and change the font to the Font Awesome font you installed earlier. Instantly, your placeholder box will transform into the icon you intended to use, making your button more interactive and visually appealing. By doing this, you've successfully integrated a Font Awesome icon into your Webflow design, enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of your project. And that's it! You now know how to add simple buttons with icons in Webflow. With these steps, you can explore even more icons and play around with different styles to match your website's theme. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy designing those beautiful buttons.